Working on the Hydramaster 470, I had a leak in the heat exchanger. I took it out for repair, and if you've ever wanted to know what's in one of these, if you don't, I was pretty curious. This is what's in it. It's like a core system of a bunch of tubes, and they go all the way through. You can see all the way through them. And so I think this is sealed on the edge right here inside like a chamber. And I think the outside copper casing is an entire chamber also that holds water. It goes in between every one of those channels as the exhaust runs through it. So there's a water inlet and an outlet. And then the machine has two exhaust pipes. One goes up to this heat exchanging unit, I think. Does the main heating. Maybe it's another one of these. And the other piece of exhaust comes down right here. Comes across this and ties in on the exhaust part. So essentially, I think the exhaust goes all the way through and blows through the holes and warms up every one of those tiny cavities and chambers. This one had a little leak right here. I tried to solder it and now it didn't work. Now I took it out and I'm gonna take it to the bench and do a better repair. But that is how the heat exchanger works on the MAXX470, I believe. If I'm incorrect, please let me know in the comments. As far as my knowledge goes, and that's my belief. So anyway, just wanted to share that and hopefully you enjoy the video. See you on the next one.